Yeah, you see there are ultrasonic sensors, one, and second is here, and nodemcu is in between, that is a microcontrollers, and one servo motor is there here. So this is the complete complete systems. So this what actually project is made for it. Suppose that any vehicle is there, is moving automatically, avoiding any obstacles. How they do it? Suppose any obstacles comes, he turns the left. Any obstacle comes, he turns right. But how he takes the intelligence? That is the artificial intelligence, AI. And this is the IoT project, and use the brain of the man. And this is the eye. You can say that there are two eye. Two eye and two ultrasonic sensors is there. How it is designed? It's a very simple way. I'll show you how it operates. So servo motor is sitting in the back sides. Suppose I'll bring I'll bring this my hand closest to the eye. This right eye. This servo motors turns in the right directions. One. I'll come out here. You see that it stays in the right directions. I'm keeping the pointer close to the because obstacles are there here. Now these obstacles I move to the left side. It turns in the right directions. Again come to the left side. When the obstacles are in the right direction, it turns in the left directions. When the obstacle is in the left direction, it turns into the right directions. So this servo motor is turning. I'll show you by close how it turns. This way it keeps on turning. So this avoids the obstacles. But how it is designed? What artificial intelligence they have put it in this? It's a very simple. If you try to understand, it's a very simple. I'll show you before that. I'll show you in the terminals. This terminal continuously it is running, and if you see that it is a written to distance, I am doing the measurement. See that this is the one eye, this is the second eye. What I am doing it, I am measuring the distance. Suppose I am keeping this obstacles, distance, distance it detects the distance. Suppose this is the D2 distance and this is the D1 distance. If so, I have put the very simple logic. If D1 is greater than D2, turns servo motor in the left directions. If D2 is less than D1, turn in the right direction. That's a very simple methods. This is the one logic, and this ultrasonic measures the distance of the obstacles. Suppose this is the obstacle. Suppose I keep it at around 4-5 centimeters, around 7-8 centimeters. You can see that it is reading the 7. It is reading the 7 centimeter. I move slowly up. It increases 11, 12, 13. It measures the distance. Similarly, I put the another sensors. This is a measuring. I'll keep on going slightly far. So this also changes the distance. So what happens? This is the measuring the D1 and D2 distance, and it compares that if D1 is more than D2, turn the servo motor in the left direction. That also I am displaying it is just turning in the left direction or turning in the right directions. So it will keep on changing. Suppose I am putting my hand, you see that Now it has gone to the direction left. Now I'm going to the another, I put it another sensor. You see that it is turning to the right directions. So this is the way. It's a very simple logic. I'm comparing the T1, distance is more than T2, turn the servo motor in the left directions. If T1 is less than T2, turn the servo motor into the right directions. That's a very simple logics, and we have put it, but its application is very vast, and it's surprising how the vehicles are moving without colliding with the obstacles and taking the safe directions. So this is the intelligence we have put in the our IoT technologies. So thank you. This is Dinesh from ISRO, Bangalore.